We'll call this next shape the triangle flap fold. This time we'll fold the square exactly in half to make a rectangle. Line up the two opposite edges like this, fold, and give it a good crease. Now make sure the folded side is facing away from you and the open side is towards you. Take one corner, top corner, fold it down to line up with the bottom edge like this, and make a good crease. Do the same with the opposite corner. Fold it down to align with the bottom like this, and make a good crease. You'll need 16 of these triangle flap folds today, so go ahead and make 15 more.